rough couple weeks. Not gonna lie, it's been a rough couple weeks. But thrifting is my therapy, makes me feel better, so I've got a thrift haul for you. Surprise! Here we go. Hey guys, what's up? My name's Hope. I'm a full-time nurse and a part-time reseller. I save lives, I save clothes, I save all the things. Thumbs up for that. If you like reseller related content, be sure to subscribe before you leave. Hit the thumbs up to let me know, because that's basically what I do here. A lot of haul videos. I need a lot of therapy. A lot. Yeah, okay. So I got 25 pieces. I spent 70 bucks. It was half off, tag blue. It's 25 pieces total. I spent $70. Average cost of goods is $2.80. Let's just get into what I got. Okay, so I guess we'll address the thumbnail pieces first because, I found it the cutest. Like, someone even stopped me, like in the aisle, was like, oh my gosh, that sweater. And I was like, oh, I know. So it's this vintage clock sweater, and like the clock, it's got the Roman numeral. Oh my god, I'm so congested. Okay, it's got the Roman numeral times on it, all the different types of clocks, all bedazzled. Oh my gosh, literally it's the best. I'm pricing this so high. It's so good. So it's by Chosh Sport. It's made in Hong Kong. It's cotton and acrylic, size medium. It's stunning. I paid $2. Well, my average cost of goods is $2. $2.80, so my gosh, can you believe how cute that is? I cannot. Okay, and the next thing, I'm obsessed with this. This is Peabody House. This was, like, I'm not going to tell you the prices because I already told you the average cost of goods. But look at this blazer. It's a vintage Houndstooth long line blazer. It's got shoulder pads, it's got one button, it's got pockets. I'm pretty sure it's wool. It's lined. Made in Korea, size 910. Yeah, it's 30% wool, acrylic, and poly. Yeah, it's literally stunning. This is so on trend right now for fall. When I seen it on the rack, I thought, oh, that's probably J. Crew. Nope, it's vintage. Very, very vintage. This is J. Crew. It's 80% wool, 20% nylon. That's an older tag J. Crew. But this is just like a wool coat. Just a really nice line, quilted line. It's got pockets on the inside. The only problem with this, I'll come close, is this little button is a little bit loose. I'm not fixing that. Someone can do it. Someone who is good with a needle and thread. But yeah, just like a pea coat or whatever kind of coat this is. Pockets, quilted, lined, really heavy, really warm. I mean, how can I say no when my average cost of goods is $2.80? You can't say no. You can't say no to that, right? Like, wool J. Crew coats sell for like $100 on Poshmark. Blazers, I literally just sold a sweater blazer. I listed it for $75. It sold the next day for an offer of $50. J. Crew, if it's the right piece, it sells. That's just my piece of advice. Okay, this is Banana Republic. It's a size 8. I believe this is wool too. I got it just because it's so classic. No. Yep, 97% wool, 3% spandex. So it's just a blazer jacket. It's a beautiful camel color. It's 2-button. So, kind of fitted through the waist. Big hair here. These really cute, like, pucker pleated pockets. This nice lining. This little thing in the back. It's in really great shape. I think there was one tiny mark on this coat. Yep. It's like right there. One little dot. But yeah, other than that, great shape. And blazers are super in. And I've sold so many blazers. I hope I'm looking in the right spot. This is Forever 21, I know, but you gotta think, $2. It was so cute. It's so clueless. Size small, houndstooth, the big buttons, it's cropped. Is this not Sharon Clueless? It definitely is. Actually, it's Ty. This is what Ty wore. She was my favorite anyways. Brittany Murphy. Makes me sad. Anyways, look at it. It's like gold and brown, like mustard and brown. It is so cute. And all of my little Houndstooth Forever 21 little mini skirts that I put Clueless in the title, they've all sold. Forever 21 one and SO, like so, that's from Kohl's. Like not even good brands. And there was another one. I had 3 that were plaid or Houndstooth big button mini skirts that I put Clueless in the title, and every single one has sold. I have none left. Okay, this is so good. Look at this. It's leopard print. It's floral embroidered. It's long. Has pockets and buttons. The only problem is it has no information. I'm assuming it's vintage. It has shoulder pads. It's just fabulous. I'm so into it. This is me in a blazer or in a cardigan. It's wonderful. Like, it was a happy day for me when I just finding the Houndstooth and the leopard print. It's all my vibes. Okay. Anyways, yeah, there's no size. I'll do measurements. It's probably I'd say medium the way it looks. Okay, this is Saturday, Sunday, which is Anthropology. This is a size, 1 second, small. It's just this, okay, it's got like a Fair Isle, like a button at the neck. And it's fleece. It's like a fleece, a pullover fleece. It's pockets. And then you can drawstring it at the bottom to make it like tight. It's really cute. I liked it. This is, what are you? Oh, Vineyard Vines, size extra small. Number 1, I rarely find Vineyard Vines. Number 2, what was number 2? I don't remember number 2, but this is Cashmere. So that's why I picked it up. It doesn't have any holes. It's a cream cashmere Vineyard Vines sweater. There is a little bit of its surface. I can just flick that off. And then it has the cute little slit at the back. Yes, that's really cute. And so soft. Okay. I'm losing my sweater. Okay. Next is Uniqlo. I always pick up this brand. It always sells. Not for a ton, but for like $25 every time. Isn't that weird? No one ever talks about this, but I feel like every time I buy it, it sells. So, I'll tell you, this one, especially if it's wool or cashmere. So, okay, this is 100% wool, and it's very thin. So, it's like a perfect little, it's like a really nice tan brown. It's that perfect, like, saddle cognac brown. Cognac tan. Really a thin wool sweater, not itchy, really comfortable. Perfect layering piece for fall. Loved it. Loved it. And then I have a cashmere sweater. I haven't listed from Uniqlo, but I'm gonna get it listed soon. I've been really working hard here. It's been a rough 2 weeks, you guys. First my daughter's in the hospital, then my mom's in the hospital with a stroke. And I've been working. Okay, this is new with tags, $58. It's apartment 9. I know, it's Kohl's, but it's a 2X. It's a waterfall cardigan. Nice little bright pop of pink. It's a cute cardigan. And it's brand new with tags. Of course I'm going to get it for $2. So, $25 probably on that. This is a Maddie M extra large, new with tag, charcoal long line duster. So it's got pockets. It's charcoal. It's very long. Open duster. No buttons or anything, just a long line duster. Dusters are also in. This is so cute. This is Free People. Oh, how adorable is this? So it's got these like see-through lace sleeves and then all this embroidery and all that it ties up. All this can tie. It's a long like tunic. The back has all that embroidery. Oh, it's so adorable. It's Free People. It doesn't have a size, but Free People should be like Brittany Melville. One size fits all. I'm going to guess a small would be my guess, or an extra small. But it'll fit anybody. I'm just kidding. It won't. It won't really. Okay, next is this Vintage America. Their stuff reminds me so much of Johnny Was, and I had 2 vintage America pieces in my last haul, and someone bought them. Veronica was her name. She lives in New Mexico, I believe. Out in New Mexico. Yeah, she bought the vintage America pieces. Really cute floral embroidery, bohemian, ruffle, tassels. It's cute. Size medium. Their stuff is really cute. I don't know where it's sold. Maybe I should do some more research, but I thought it was cute, and it was blue tag, so it was like $1.99. This is Reba XL, Reba McEntire. If you don't know, every time we go to karaoke, I always sing Reba McEntire's Fancy. It's my favorite song. Well, I remember it all very well. Looking back, it was the summer I turned 18. Anyways, this is a Reba, like really waffle knit, embroidered little blouse. It's very fall, it's mustard, like a mustard gold. Thought it was cute, so we got that. Then over in the sweaters, I found these Lululemon pants. I'm like, well, this is a perfect spot for these. They were marked $4.49. Obviously, that's not what my average cost is, but they're the dance studio pant. There's the Lululemon right there. In the pocket, I think they're a 6 or a 4 Lululemon. I always find Lululemon. It's like I always find it at my Goodwill. Not always at the bins, but always at my Goodwills. I always find the jackets or some type of pant. I get lucky almost every visit, and I at least get one Lulu piece, usually. Okay, I know I seen a size. Give me 1 second. Oh, there it is. They're a 6. So they're black. Kind of have that pinstripe in them. They have the like gray thing, and they are like that, and they have that pull tab where you can go like that and make them skinny at the ankle. But yeah, these are the dance studio pants. These do really good. Super pumped about those. This is Guinevere, which is Anthro, size small, just like a open knit metallic silver sweater. This would be really cute with just like a white tank top underneath it and jeans and a scarf. This is W5, size small. This is sometimes sold at Anthro. I don't know if this one was, but it's this very like textured dot. These are like poofy. It's like 3-dimensional puffy dots. It's burgundy. There's a string hanging, but no worries. Zipper back, splits up the back. Really, really cute. Really soft, adorable. Love it. This is vintage, the designer collection by Herald Square. It's supposed to be a 2-piece. It says 18 is the size. I'd say this is probably like a medium large. But look at that neck. I mean, is this not Little House on the Prairie? Cottagecore? This is cottagecore to the fullest. It's even got these little pearl buttons. And then this, I picked that up for the same reason. I thought this looked very cottagecore. This is 100% cotton, size small, G Designs, Natural Fashions, made in Peru. It's very, has all these embroiders, all this embroidery all over it. It's high low. It has 4 buttons here. Neck's like this. These really cute lace sleeves. All these details. Like, look. It's all embroidered on there. And it's 100% cotton. I don't know. Never heard of the brand, but I thought, let me just give it a shot, okay? Let me just give it a shot. This is Stetson. Now, I don't know if this is a vintage dead stock Stetson. This looks really like an old tag. I mean, I'm talking, it looks old. But I don't know. So, this is the tag. Like, look how old those tags look. They're like yellow. Size medium. Stetson. It's embroidered. It's cream. It's got a ruffle at the bottom. I don't know. Either this is a vintage Stetson blouse and it's for a cowgirl. Or it's not vintage and it's just, either way, it's a Stetson blouse, guys. And, you know, it's cute. It's really cute. It's very Western and bohemian. I mean, I think it's a good piece. It feels really nice. We'll see. And it's new with tag. This is Laundry by Shelly Segal. It's new with tags. It's a cute tie front peach, cream, white, blue, red, all the colors. Size medium. It's an $80 shirt. Anyway, tag. I really got the sniffles. This I got because it was cute. It was probably not a good buy. Yeah, it's definitely not being listed right now, but it's this yellow crochet, and then it's off the shoulder, but they're like these accordion pleats. The whole thing is accordion pleated. Off the shoulder. You know, it's called Juliet. That's all I know. I don't know the brand. It's probably sold on Amazon. But I thought it was cute, so I got it. Last is, or not last, I have 2 pairs of shoes. Eileen Fisher, size small. It's this red, like, bat wing sleeve, drapey neck, top. It's plain. It's a typical Eileen piece, but it's Eileen, and it was very cheap. Then I got these SAS, S-A-S, comfort shoes. They're made in the USA. It's a great comfort brand. Their shoes are so expensive. They're not very cute. Like they say SAS on them right there. But these were like brand new. They have one of them has a scuff, or it's like marker or something. It's like silver or white. I just need to use some black shoe polish and cover it up. But other than that, they literally are like brand new. And these are like $150 retail. And so I'm like, I could probably get, you know, 25 to 35, 40 bucks for those. For sure. I know I can. I for sure can. Then I found these Bionics. These are so cute. They're just little bejeweled Bionic sandals, flip-flops. I have no idea what size these are. Where is the size? How is there no size on this whole shoe? Are you kidding? There's no size. They're Bionics. They don't have a size, so I don't have any clue what I'm gonna do about that. Anyways, that is it. That is my haul. Finally a video under 20 minutes. Yay! Sorry guys that I have been so inconsistent. Like I promised I would be consistent, and then my world exploded. Literally, I'm still coping, but all is well. Everything is good. I appreciate you guys sticking around and watching. I'm here. I'm back. I'm ready to rock and roll. I have so many. Here's my question. I really want to do a what sold, but you know, and this isn't me like discounting myself in any way, shape, or form, or trying to compare myself to anybody else. I'm just a part-time reseller. I work full-time as a nurse. I mean, we've established that. But it's not like, okay, so how, like, if I'm only making like $1,000 to $1,500 in a month, do you even want to know? Like what I sold? That's my question. Like, I'm just part-time. I feel like I work a lot for being part-time. But it's fun. I enjoy every bit of it. I could work so much harder. And I feel like I do pretty good considering I'm just on Poshmark. If I was consistent and sold on other platforms, like literally I don't list anything anywhere else because I'm so ADHD that I can't keep track of it in all these other places. I literally can't. I think I would do really good. But I have way too much crap going on, so Poshmark it is. But I don't know. Are you interested? Oh my god, I'm so tired. It's 1 a.m. I stayed up all night to film 100 videos. Are you interested in what sold videos from me? A part-time reseller who does it for fun. Just let me know. If you want to see it, I'll show you. I'll do it. But they're a lot of work. Just know that. Like every picture, you know, inserting it in so you can see, and then all the numbers. Like, I really should keep better track of my numbers. I'm a terrible reseller. All right, that is it, you guys. I'm going. I am delirious. I'm tired. I'm congested. Whew. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned because I'm pretty sure my video with Jen is going out Monday and Wednesday this week. So this should be up by Sunday. So yes, I'll have 2 more videos coming out this week. All in this shirt. Aren't you excited? Bye guys. I love you so much. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!